Alright guys, welcome back to Help Educate Me. We're back talking about the carnivore diet that I started 4 days ago, and just giving you a little update on how everything's going. First couple days were kind of rough. The digestive system didn't work out as well as I thought it would, but got through it, and so far so good. We're day 4. I've been eating a lot of eggs and sausage for breakfast, pretty good sized steak or chicken or pork chops for dinner, and works out pretty good. Not hungry at all, eating a pretty good sized lunch, not eating breakfast right now, and then I eat again at like 6:30, and I don't eat again until noon the next day. Feeling pretty good. Energy's up pretty good. Don't have any complaints about that, and working through it. So started in on my exercises on day 2 after I got through the digestive issues, and been walking about 1.5 miles, 2 miles each day. Gonna start with some weightlifting and some other things first part of next week, but yeah, so far so good. So far I enjoy it. Don't have any issues with the meals, and I'm full all day. I don't have any hunger issues. The sugar high or sugar flu that they talk about, I'm not getting it as bad this time, and I think it's working out pretty good. We'll see. We got about 3 more days to get through, and we'll see how my caffeine headaches and all that kind of stuff, they're going away. I had a little one yesterday from cutting out all the Diet Cokes that I drank, because that was horrible. I was drinking 6 to 12 Diet Cokes a day. I haven't had one in 3 days, so which is pretty good. A lot of water. I probably drink 2 gallons of water a day, just non-stop drinking water, and loving it. Taking my vitamins, the 3-4 supplements that we're supposed to take to help us get through, and liking it so far. Just started doing, I tried to find out what the best place to get meat from was between Sam's, and I'm giving Butcher Box a try. So I ordered some of that to see how much that costs, and after I get through week 2, I'll break down some cost scenarios on like what we were spending for food for 2 of us. My girlfriend, she's not doing the carnivore diet. She's just on her regular diet. She does CrossFit and runs marathons all the time. So she does a regular food eating diet, and I went on this just because, like I said, 54 years old and not being healthy, really tired and lethargic all day long. I don't know if it was getting to be a little bit of depression or whatever else, but you know, it is what it is, and that's kind of the reason why I wanted to make a change. I'd like to be around a lot longer for my son and other aspects of it, so here we are. Appreciate you all following along. Ask any questions you want. Next week I am going to start filming what I make for breakfast or my lunch and my dinner, and start doing a bunch of recipes. That's where I love to do things that I do, because I love being in the kitchen, love cooking. So now I'm going to start making some different meals for me and Michelle, and getting things through this. So it'll be interesting for us and you guys. Some of the links to all the meals and all that, I'll probably put that on the Patreon page. And all the breakfasts or lunches, those will all be on this one, so that y'all can kind of view it and help me along. But I appreciate everything that you guys do by following me. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, help us out a little bit. It'll help me get through all this stuff, so I can keep doing this and keep giving you updates on how it works and how we get through it. So maybe it'll inspire you if you're in the same boat, a little overweight, a little bit up in age. Even if you're not up in age, maybe if you're just a little bit overweight, got some sore joints, sore issues, and we'll see if it works and all that. So like I said, I'm going to give this a minimum of 90 days, and if everything works out the way I think it's going to work out, then I'm going to keep going on it, because I'd like to get back down to my high school weight and see what happens. So again, appreciate y'all guys for following along. Ask any questions you want. I'll answer every question that's out there, no matter what it is, and we'll see you on the next one. So thank you.